Hey guys, Spacious Layout XP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at 106 Barnwell Avenue in Rincon, Georgia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 2,100 square feet offered at $489,900. Let's check it out. Welcome home, right? Look at the inside of this beautiful, newly constructed home in the middle of Rincon. What I love about this is like, it is super close to everything. 9th Street, you just go down 9th Street, then you take a left and boom, we're right here. So it's great, all right? So you got all the convenience of the Kroger, everything that's in Rincon, from, you know, the Firehouse Subs, the ice cream shop, Arby's, all of it. You got access to it. But I want to look at this great living room, right? Look how big this is. And this is like more, not white, it's like an agreeable gray, which I do like that. You don't have to paint it in, but this living room is great. You got crown molding on top of the ceilings, over you can see, and then of course new light fixtures. They were more modern. I love the one that's coming in there. You got your coat closet here. You got a French door right there, so if you want to open it up wide open, you can. And then the living room, wide open to the kitchen, which is great. Love this countertop, farm style sink right there. Stainless steel appliances. I love these globes. They add a really cool touch to this home. But not only that, you got your double oven right there, which leads to a countertop range. And then you got your pot filler, which I love the pot fillers. Right? I wish I had one at my house. But there's one right here. Great backsplash you got going on right there. Love that. And then you get these decorative windows above here in the cabinet area. And you got like this cool little accent right there. And then it leads into this dining area. We're gonna catch all of this right now. Now we're entering into the primary bedroom, and I love this primary bedroom. It's huge. You got your LVP floors on the ground. You got your tray ceilings with the crown molding on the inside. Of course, brand new ceiling fan going on. But look at all this space in here. I mean, definitely can play ping pong in here. Maybe pinball, but of course, king size bed with furniture, you know, evening stands, all that stuff can fit in here. And then it goes into this great bathroom we're going to, which has a full walk-in closet, dual vanity, all that stuff. Let's check all of this out. Now we're in the primary bathroom, which I love this primary bathroom. You can't see it, but right now you are in the shower, tiled all the way up. You'll see that when we pan through. What I do is I love these light fixtures they got, this tub right here, and then dual vanities with granite countertops right here, and tons of space. I love the color of the wood. And you'll see throughout the home these little wood accents, which I love. They kind of match everything right there. It's fantastic. And then it goes into this walk-in closet. You got tons of built-ins, and of course, what is a bathroom without a closet for their toilet? So let's check all of this out. Now, before we go to the other bedrooms, I just want to show this little spot real quick. You got a half bath, the pantry, which is super awesome, and the laundry room. I don't want to miss it. I'm going to also give you a tour of the garage, so we're going to sweep through there real quick, and then we're going to go outside to the screen porch. So we're over the primary bedroom, which is on the other side of the house, which is great. I love the separation. Now we're gonna go to the other there's 2 bedrooms and 1 bonus room over here. I'm kind of just gonna sweep right through them as we come through, just so you can see them real quick. Their bedrooms are very large. They can fit king size beds in them. The bonus room's kind of small, but that'd be great for like a movie room or maybe like a gaming room or something like that if you have children, or maybe just older man that likes to play video games. I don't know, but we're gonna go in here and check all these out real quick. Now we're outside in the screened-in porch. This is fantastic, and if you haven't heard me even say it before, I will say it again. Sand nets suck at 6 o'clock in the morning and like 4 or 5 in the evening. No worries here. You got a screened-in porch. Hang out here, maybe play some cards. I don't know, you could do any kind of entertainment out here. Maybe even, you put a barbecue grill out there, but that's right. But you get the screened-in porch area is fantastic, and then it goes out to this over a half an acre yard. We're gonna check all of this out. So that's 106 Barnwell Avenue in Rincon, Georgia. And I want to thank Pamela Martin from Next Move for letting me film this home. If you have any questions about this home or any home in Rincon, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.